The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold7 has officially launched. And if you're looking to pre-order or want to grab one soon, now's the perfect time to check out the best cases and accessories to protect and enhance your device. From stylish leather cases to fast chargers and privacy screen protectors, these add-ons will keep your Fold7 safe, powered up, and looking great. First on our list is the Torro Z Fold7 leather case. It's smooth and fancy, and it's not just a cover, it carries your essentials. This handcrafted leather case comes with 3 card slots and a spot for your cash. There's a hidden stand so you can prop up your Fold7 to watch shows or make video calls hands-free. The inside is lined with soft microfiber to protect that delicate inner screen when it folds. And guess what? It still works with wireless charging. This case is actually useful. You slip in your credit card, lift it like a little wallet, fold it into stand mode, and bam! Your phone's usable and your hands are free. Its precision cutouts mean everything stays fully accessible. It's perfect for people who like keeping things simple. Phone, cards, cash, without juggling separate things. Stylish, functional, and grown-up. Moving on to the Galaxy Buds 3. These earbuds feel custom-made for your Z Fold7. They use big speakers and a powerful amp to produce clear sound whether you're jamming to music or tuning into a video. With Galaxy AI inside, they adjust the sound to your ears and even translate conversations live. Awesome when you're traveling or watching foreign language content on that big foldable screen. They fit snug and stay put. Great when you're walking, commuting, or folding and unfolding your phone. Battery life sits around 5 hours playing music with noise cancelling on, and the case adds up to 24 hours more. Though the noise cancelling isn't AirPods Pro level, but it's clean enough to block out most background noise. If you enjoy listening to music or watching folded open content, these sit-right earbuds connect seamlessly with your Fold7 and keep the experience smooth and immersive. Let's talk about the Supershieldz screen protector. It's unnoticeable, but does a great job protecting your Fold7's exterior screen. This thin film stays crystal clear and doesn't interfere with the touchscreen or folding motion. It comes in a 2-pack, so you're ready for a replacement if you need one. It's perfect for everyday protection from wear, dust, or light scratches, but it's not meant to withstand a heavy drop. Still, it preserves your screen without making it feel thick or stiff. It's an ideal pick if you want zero-thought protection. Apply it and forget it. It's a low-cost way to keep your screens pristine day after day. Up next, the Anker Nano charger. It's tiny but delivers fast charging power that keeps up with the Fold7. Its GaN tech packs 20 to 30 watts into a charger smaller than your thumb. Toss it in your bag or pocket. No bulk, all convenience. It charges your phone quickly, and the built-in safety features keep things from overheating or overloading. Just remember, you'll need your own USB-C cable, since only the brick is included. So it's a great choice for travelers, commuters, or anyone who hates carrying bulky chargers. It's efficient for quick midday top-ups and easy to slip in a pocket. Now, if you want a great match for your Galaxy ecosystem, then have a look at the newly released Galaxy Watch 8. It tracks fitness like heart rate, workouts, sleep, and stress, with tight integration to your folded screen notifications. Want to reply or check calls? The watch handles that without unfolding your phone. Also, the AMOLED screen is crisp and outdoor visible, and the 40-hour battery means you can go 2 days between charges. Missed calls, Thai cooking classes, late-night texts. The watch lets your Fold7 stay put while you keep moving. Some might wish the battery lasted longer, but an overnight top-up gets you back in action. So if you want a smart way to stay connected and track health without grabbing your phone every minute, this watch does it smoothly while matching the Fold7 style. Let's have a quick peek at the SUPCASE UB Pro Case. It's built rugged to take care of your Fold7. With shock-absorbing corners, thick bumper edges, and a built-in screen protector, it's built to take a hit. Whether your phone slips from your hand, bounces off a treadmill, or gets jostled around in a backpack, this case is ready to handle it all. The buttons are fully covered, yet still easy to press, and yes, it even supports wireless charging, so you won't have to remove the case every time you power up. Yeah, it's definitely bulky. If you're all about sleek, slim styles, this probably isn't your vibe. But if your daily life includes chaotic commutes, energetic kids, or rough job sites, that extra thickness pays off. This case is for the drop-prone and the bold. People who want to protect their Z Fold like it's a $1,000 investment. Because it is. Give this Spigen GaN 45-watt charger a glance. A small but mighty wall adapter that's perfect for your Galaxy Z Fold7. Using gallium nitride technology, this charger delivers fast, efficient power in a compact size. And that makes it ideal for both home and travel. With USB-C power delivery, it can power up your Fold7 quickly and even power up your tablet or laptop if needed. It's smart too, adjusting power flow to protect your devices from overcharging or overheating. This makes it a reliable choice if you're often multitasking with multiple gadgets. While it doesn't come with a cable and can block nearby sockets if the power strip is tight, the performance is worth the trade-off. If you're someone who works on the go or wants one solid charger for everything, phone, tablet, maybe even a small laptop, this is a smart, long-term pick, especially great for users who value fast charging without a bulky setup. Now, if you want a car mount for your Z Fold, then check out this Xuenair Z Fold. It's a must-have if you use your Fold7 for navigation or hands-free calls in the car. It's designed especially for the size and weight of foldables and grips your phone securely without shaking, even on bumpy roads. It attaches to your car's air vent and has a stable locking system, so you're not constantly adjusting it. The mount rotates and tilts for the perfect viewing angle, whether your Fold7 is open or closed. Plus, its soft silicone pads protect your phone from scratches while keeping it tightly in place. Some users note that it might partially block airflow depending on vent size, but that's a small trade-off for keeping your phone accessible and safe. If you're always on the road and want a reliable, secure mount that handles the Fold7's unique size, this one's a top choice. It's perfect for safer driving while still using maps or music. Next, have a look at this privacy screen protector. This one's really useful if you're tired of strangers peeking at your screen in public. It uses a special privacy filter that blocks side angles, so only someone looking directly at your Fold7 can see the display. Whether you're replying to messages, reading emails, or watching videos, this keeps your content private. The protector is made from tempered glass, offering solid scratch resistance and a smooth touch experience. It's designed to work with the Fold7 screen, keeping everything responsive and crisp. Though the screen might look a little darker because of the privacy layer, but most users get used to it quickly. It's great for anyone who uses their phone in public places like coffee shops, buses, or airports. If you value privacy and still want good screen clarity and protection, this is the one to go with. Finally, we've got the Samsung Clear Grip Case, a lightweight case that shows off the Fold7's sleek design while still giving it everyday protection. It's transparent, so you can still enjoy the look of your phone. And it has a textured grip that keeps it from slipping out of your hands. This case adds just enough protection without the bulk. Raised edges around the screen and camera help guard against minor drops and scratches. It's slim enough to work with wireless charging too, which is always a plus. It won't survive a major fall like rugged cases might, but it does a solid job for daily wear and tear. If you love the look of your Fold7 and just want something light, stylish, and secure to protect it day to day, this is a perfect match. Great for minimalists who prefer to keep things simple and clean. Alright, that's time to wrap it up here. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.